Good morning, viewers. This is your host, Sayyid Abid Hussaini, from your favorite channel, HB Academy for Personal and Professional Development. Today, I welcome you all from my place where I am residing in Doha, Qatar, and that is lovely Lusail. This is what I call lovely Lusail. On back of me you can see the palm trees and the combination of various people who are roaming around. This is what is Lusail. Dear viewers, for your information, Lusail is having at the moment a food festival around. You can visit in the evening. They have a wonderful festival waiting for you. Lots of uh, festival activities are here. Lot of food stalls are waiting for you, so please do visit. This is what is Lusail. You can see this is the area. This is the area where the festival of food is waiting for you. This is the area in Lusail Marina. You can come over and Lusail is waiting to host you with a wonderful food festival around. This is a very famous Lusail beach. A lovely Lusail, and here it is, the iconic Lusail Tower. Nowadays is been in the final stage of being completed. Very soon, in next few days, it is going to be completed. This iconic tower at the Lusail. The beautiful scene on the Lusail is its beach. At Marina, apart from lot of high-rise tower, the nature which will catch your eyes is the beach. The high-rise tower at Marina is another attraction in Lusail, where you will find a lot of modern high-rise tower similar to West Bay, Dafna area of Doha, Qatar. And this is the new area for you all to explore. This is, I call, lovely Lusail. Please do come and enjoy the beauty and the unlimited entertainment around in your very lovely Lusail. So please do come and attend this festival which is going on. The best time to come over here is in the evening. I'm here in the daytime, but the best come for you, best time to come with the family is to come in the evening time. Another thing I would like to suggest you is that please do come before the Maghrib time. So what you can do is you can see Lusail, this lovely spot, in the daylight, and at the same time you can see lots of lights and beautiful lightning which has been arranged, which has been made available here for the visitors attraction, is in the night time. So you can enjoy in your trip to Lusail the daytime just before Maghrib, and after Maghrib you can see how beautifully it has been decorated. It has been made fascinating for the visitor. Please do visit Lusail district, situated at north of Doha, Qatar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.